In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to download and install Call of Duty on iPhone. Let's get started. First, launch your App Store. Now here, you're gonna find the search icon. Click on that. In the search box, type in the app name Call of Duty and search for it. Once app appears, click on it. Now you'll see the option of Get or Install. Click on that option. You'll be prompted to enter your Apple ID's password or use your Face ID for verification. After you complete this process, download process will start. Once completion of its download process, launch it. The first time you open COD Mobile, the game may download additional files and resources, so make sure you have a stable internet connection and enough storage space available on your iPhone. After the files finish downloading, you can log in using your guest account, Activision account, Facebook, Apple ID, or any other available login option. And that's it. This way you can easily download and install Call of Duty Mobile on iPhone. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.